Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a PS5 controller to your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now first things first, ensure that you have enabled Bluetooth on your Redmi Note 14. So open settings, scroll down and select Bluetooth, and ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled. Now the next step is simply powering on your PS5 controller and putting it into pairing mode. So let me just power on my controller. And once it's powered it on, simply put it into pairing mode by pressing the share button and the PS logo. So press and hold until you see the light blinking. So as you can see, the light is blinking. So once it blinks, all you have to do is simply go to your Bluetooth settings and tap on refresh. And this will scan for any available Bluetooth devices. Now as you can see, my PS5 controller has been detected. All I have to do is tap on it, and then you should see this prompt, pair with DualSense Wireless Controller. Simply tap on pair, and there you go. You have successfully paired your PS5 controller to your Redmi Note 14. Now you can launch any game that supports controller, and now you can play your games using the PS5 controller. So that's basically it on how to pair a PS5 controller to your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.